How does oxygen become available to animals and plants living in water and soil? Air in water. Take some water in a glass vessel. Heat it slowly on a gas burner. Watch carefully the inner surface of the vessel. Tiny bubbles are produced at the bottom of the vessel. These bubbles come from the air dissolved in water. They rise from the bottom and break free at the top. Air becomes less soluble in water as the temperature goes up. Cold water holds more dissolved air than the warm water. Animals living in water use the oxygen dissolved in water to perform various activities. Air in soil. Take a lump of dry soil in a beaker. Add water to it and observe. You will see bubbles coming out of the soil. These bubbles show that air is present in the soil. The organisms that live inside the soil use this air for their respiration. Animals living in the soil make burrows and holes for air to move in and out of the soil. During rainy season, when all the spaces previously occupied by the air are now filled up with water, animals living in the soil have to come out for respiration. You must have seen earthworms coming out of the soil during heavy rains. Oxygen cycle. Almost all living things use oxygen during the process of respiration. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen during photosynthesis. Animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. This shows interdependence of plants and animals. The algae in the ocean and other water bodies replaces about 90% of all oxygen used on our planet.